Hello, my name is Keith Edwards from Yarlet Stoves near Stafford. We're a HEATAS registered company and we've been fitting multi-fuel and wood burning stoves for many years. I've been asked many times what is involved in fitting a new wood burning stove into an existing fireplace. The gas has been disconnected by a gas safe engineer. Let's sheet up and get ready for work. As you can see, we have opened up the fireplace, fitted a concrete lintel. Our next job will be to fit the stainless steel liner. I have now lowered the stainless steel liner down to my colleagues on the base. Kirk and Nathan have fitted a steel register plate and a top hat adapter. I then fitted a pot hanging bird cowl and secured it to the chimney pot. We have cut the slate to size. We're about to fix it in place and then do the same to the sides and rear of the opening. We are well on our way now. We have lined the fire aperture and we are about to replaster the complete chimney breast. We have to fit a CO alarm to building regulations and HEATAS regulations on every installation. We've now bonded and skimmed the plastering and it's left to a smooth finish. It will take a couple of days to dry before we actually light the stove. This is a 6 kilowatt stove and we have to put an additional air vent into the room so the stove can work to its full potential. We're about to do the smoke test as follows. Make sure both vents are full. That's the primary and the secondary. As you can see, there is no smoke escaping into the room, showing that it is a sealed unit. We will now open the secondary air and you will see how the air wash system works on this stove. Perfect. This fire is now serviceable and ready for its first fire.